Welcome to English Speak Podcast.
Learn with English Podcast Corner. Hello, friends. Welcome back to English Conversation Practice. I'm Ella.
And I'm Oliver. It's great to have you here today. We're going to talk about something everyone has, family.
Yes, family is one of the most common topics in English conversation. Today, we'll learn how to talk about your family using simple English sentences.
We'll listen, discuss, and repeat, step by step. It's going to be easy and fun.
And don't forget, you can download the free PDF from the description. It has today's script, vocabulary, and exercises to help you practice more.
Also, if you like learning English with us, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us grow and keeps you updated with new lessons.
All right, let's begin. Listen carefully to this short dialogue about family. My name is Anna. I live with my parents and my younger brother. My father is a teacher. My mother is a doctor. My brother goes to school. We love to eat dinner together every night.
Nice and simple. Let's talk about some new words from this story.
Good idea. First word, parents. Parents means your father and mother. Example, my parents are kind. Can you repeat? Parents.
Next, younger brother. Younger means someone who is smaller or not as old as you. Example, my younger brother is 10 years old. Say it with me. Younger brother.
Great. Next, teacher and doctor. Teacher, a person who helps students learn. Doctor, a person who helps sick people. Repeat after me. My father is a teacher. My mother is a doctor.
Very good. Now, let's practice the full sentences together. I live with my parents. My father is a teacher. My mother is a doctor. My brother goes to school. Good job!
You're doing great. Repeating helps your brain remember new words.
Oliver, reading. Sarah has a big family. She has 2 sisters and 1 brother. Her grandmother lives with them. On weekends, her family watches movies together.
Okay, let's explain some words. Big family means many people in one family. Example, I have a big family.
Grandmother, your mother's or father's mother. Example, my grandmother bakes cookies. Say it with me. Grandmother.
Nice. Another phrase, on weekends. That means Saturday and Sunday. Example, on weekends, I go to the park. Now you say it. On weekends.
Excellent. Now let's repeat the full sentences together. Sarah has a big family. She has 2 sisters and 1 brother. Her grandmother lives with them. On weekends, her family watches movies together.
Perfect pronunciation. You sound great. Now, let's do a short speaking practice. Imagine I ask you, tell me about your family.
You can answer like this. I live with my parents. I have 1 sister. My father is a driver. My mother is a teacher. Try saying your own version now. Pause the audio and speak out loud.
Excellent practice. Remember, speaking every day helps you become more confident.
Now, let's add some useful family words to your vocabulary list.
Ella, mother, the woman who gave birth to you. Father, the man who takes care of you. Brother, a male sibling. Sister, a female sibling. Grandfather, your parents' father. Grandmother, your parents' mother. Uncle, your parents' brother. Aunt, your parents' sister. Cousin, the child of your uncle or aunt.
Excellent. Let's repeat some together. Mother, father, brother, sister, grandfather, grandmother, uncle, aunt, cousin.
Good job.
Now, we'll move to the next part, daily life with family.
Ella, reading. Every morning, Emma helps her mother make breakfast. Her father reads the newspaper. Her brother plays with their dog. In the evening, they eat dinner together and watch TV.
Let's learn new words. Make breakfast. To cook food in the morning. Example, I make breakfast for my family. Say it. Make breakfast.
Reads the newspaper. To read news in the morning. Example, my father reads the newspaper.
Plays with the dog. Means to spend fun time with a pet. Example, my brother plays with the dog.
Eat dinner together means to have a meal in the evening with family. Example, we eat dinner together every night.
Watch TV. To see shows or movies on television. Example, we watch TV after dinner.
Now let's repeat these full sentences slowly together. Emma helps her mother make breakfast. Her father reads the newspaper. Her brother plays with their dog. They eat dinner together. They watch TV in the evening.
Excellent job! You're learning natural daily English.
Welcome back, everyone. You're listening to Talk About Your Family, Part 2 of our English conversation lesson. I'm Ella.
And I'm Oliver. We hope you enjoyed Part 1. If you missed it, go back and listen before continuing here. Today, we'll practice longer sentences and real conversation examples you can use when talking about your family.
That's right. Let's keep learning step by step. So, in the last part, we talked about family members like mother, father, brother, sister, and cousin.
Now, let's move to the next level. We'll practice describing our family, who they are, what they do, and how we spend time together.
Okay, listen first. My mother is a teacher. She works at a school. She loves reading books. Now, repeat after me. My mother is a teacher. She works at a school. She loves reading books.
Great job. Let's discuss. When you talk about what your family members do, use simple verbs. Work, cook, teach, drive, study, play, etc. You can say, my father works in an office. My sister studies at university. My brother plays football.
Good examples. And if you want to say what your family likes to do together, try sentences like, we watch movies together. We go to the park on weekends. We eat dinner together every night.
Yes, you can use we plus verb to talk about shared actions. For example, we cook dinner together. Now, listen again to this short conversation.
Do you have a big family?
Yes, I do. I live with my parents and two sisters.
Wow. What do you like to do together?
We love cooking and watching movies at home.
Did you hear how natural that sounded? Let's repeat it together slowly. Do you have a big family?
Yes, I do. I live with my parents and two sisters.
What do you like to do together?
We love cooking and watching movies at home.
Great. Repeat it again to build confidence.
Let's review a few useful words. Parents, your mother and father. Siblings, your brothers and sisters. Relatives, your extended family, like uncles, aunts, and cousins. Grandparents, your grandma and grandpa.
Good. Try making your own sentence for each one. Example, my grandparents live in the countryside. My relatives visit us on holidays.
Beautiful. Now let's add adjectives to describe people in your family.
Yes. For example, kind. My mother is very kind. Funny. My brother is funny. Hardworking. My father is hardworking. Caring. My sister is caring.
Great job. When you use adjectives, your English sounds more alive.
Let's try a mini practice. Listen first. I have a small family. My parents and I live in a flat. We love eating together. Now, repeat after me. I have a small family. My parents and I live in a flat. We love eating together.
Excellent. Now try to change some words. Maybe I have a big family, or we live in a house.
You can make your own version. That's how you really learn.
Okay, let's review what we learned today. 1. Family members: mother, father, brother, sister, cousin. 2. Describing: she works at a school. He likes football. 3. Activities together: we cook. We go out. 4. Adjectives: kind, funny, caring, hardworking.
Perfect summary, Oliver. And remember, you can download the free PDF for this episode in the description. It has today's vocabulary, example sentences, and mini exercises.
Yes, you can read and practice later.
Before we go, we have a question for you. Who is the funniest person in your family?
Tell us in the comments. We love reading your answers.
And don't forget, like this podcast, share it with your friends, and subscribe so you don't miss the next lesson.
You're doing amazing, learners. Keep practicing English every day.
Thanks for listening to English in Daily Life. See you in the next episode. Bye for now.
Bye, everyone. Keep smiling and learning.